Hello, and welcome back to the channel where we teach you all the wrong ways to approach life. Today, we're going to talk about how to take a lackadaisical approach to situations that require urgency. Because let's face it, who has time for stress and anxiety when you can just procrastinate and pretend everything is fine? So let's dive right into the first step of our guide to lackadaisical living.
Step 1. Ignore the problem.
Yes, that's right. The first and most important step to taking a lackadaisical approach to urgent situations is to simply ignore the problem. After all, if you don't acknowledge it, it doesn't exist. When you receive an urgent email or phone call, just let it sit there for a few hours, maybe even a whole day. Eventually, the problem will disappear, or someone else will take care of it. Procrastination is the key to success, people.
Step 2. Make excuses.
When you finally decide to address the issue, make sure to give a good excuse for why you didn't handle it sooner. Blame it on a technical difficulty or pretend you didn't receive the message. Be creative. The key here is to shift the blame from yourself to something or someone else.
Step 3. Take your sweet time.
Now that you've acknowledged the problem, take your sweet time addressing it. There's no need to rush when you have all the time in the world, right? Even if the deadline is looming, just take a leisurely pace and enjoy the process. Besides, rushing can lead to mistakes, right? So take your time. Enjoy the ride. Yeah, that's nice. Hey, what the... Ouch. What the shit? Motherfucking snake bit my ass. Son of a bitch. Prepare to die, you motherfucker.
Step 4. Don't communicate.
Communication is overrated. When it comes to urgent situations, just keep all information to yourself. Don't let anyone else know that there's a problem, and definitely don't ask for help. After all, who needs a team when you can handle everything on your own?
Step 5. Don't worry. Be happy.
Finally, the most important step to taking a lackadaisical approach to urgent situations is to not worry. It's easy to get stressed out when deadlines are approaching, but don't let that bother you. Just relax, put your feet up, and pretend like everything is fine. In fact, why not throw in a couple of happy hour drinks and a nap while you're at it? Life is too short to stress over urgent situations. Just take it easy and enjoy the moment. So there you have it, folks. The foolproof guide to taking a lackadaisical approach to situations that require urgency. Remember, procrastination is key. Communication is overrated, and above all else, don't worry, be happy. Now, if you'll excuse me, I think it's about time for a nap.